What's up guys, it's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Starting here in the back, you can see there's a lot of tread left in the tires. Right up front, say this bike has very few miles on it, so these are definitely factory tires. The previous owner did do the Fender eliminator kit, so you got your brake light, your 2 turn signals here, and the license plate mount. Coming up over the top, you can see that the paint is all in really nice shape. This bike definitely lived inside, and again has a few miles on it, so it's all in nice shape. So even the plastics there are nice. You can see the black rear wheel, got your rear brake there, and the swing arm coming across. There you can see the exhaust underneath. Leading all the way up here to your rider peg and your rear brake. Of course you have your rear shock here, and get in here on the motor as much as I can. There's that and all that stuff. Jump up here on top to the tank. You see that the tank is also in nice shape. With that Kawasaki racing green. There's your Vulcan S badge. All that stuff, and the flat black frame all looks really good. Spin it around. Of course, you have your headlight up front and your 2 turn signals up front. I got the top of your gauges up here. You got your bars. There's your front fender. Again, all the paint on this bike is in nice shape, so that continues on the front fender. It does have the ABS, so there's the ABS badges on either side of the front fender. There's your front brake right here. Just run down these fork tubes really quickly so you can see them. They're in nice shape, upper and lower. The same thing on the other side. There you go. There's the black front wheel. And there's your front tire. Again, these are the factory tires. It has like a little shade under 300 miles on this machine. This side of the tank, yeah, I thought I found a mark there, just a little piece of dirt just wiped right off. Again, the tank is looking good. Same with that side cover. You can see, motor's pretty well covered up on this side, but I'll get you in as much as I can. Of course, you have your rider peg, shifter, your kickstand. There are no passenger pegs in this bike because it is a solo seat. There you can see your chain coming back to the rear sprocket, and that black rear wheel. Of course, you have your swing arm in there too. Already saw this top part. Let's go over it again. Over the solo seat. All the stitching on the seat is good. No tears or anything like that. Coming up over the tank, see the top of the tank. Got your fuel cap. Of course, on your handlebar, it has the bar end mirrors here that hang down underneath. Got your clutch, controls, throttle, mirror on this side. There's your gauge. Turn it on. There you can see 237 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this machine, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube. Let's fire it up. Let's make sure that these turn signals work. Down to the front. There's that side. And there's that side. Around to the back. Turn signal there. And there's the turn signal there. All right, guys. Like I said, this is a 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650. Make sure you check out the test drive video on YouTube. Check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.